Today I will teach you how to create services in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log in to your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Shein Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Now that we've entered, we need to navigate to the Customer module at the left side. Click the arrow beside it. Two categories will appear, namely Trading and Services. Click the Services category. Once you've clicked it, another group of modules will appear. One of the modules include List of Services. Click List of Services. Then click the plus button above. After clicking, you'll see two sections that needs filling in. First, we'll fill up services. Input the name of the services. After that, move on to the next section. Type in the rate of the service you just input. When both section is being filled, click the Create button. After filling in the field, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.